Okay, Nummer 15. Wie fragt man Nummer 15? What's the first question of 15? Good. Everybody, auf welche Schule gehst du?
Auf welche Schule gehst du?
Okay. What do you think that means? What kind of school do you, which school do you go to? There we go. I speak English goodly. Okay. Try the second part. Was für eine Schule ist sie?
Was für eine Schule ist sie?
What does that mean? What type of school is it? Yep. The sie doesn't mean she in this case. It's because it's die Schule. So they have different ways to say it. Okay, so that is just asking what kind of school is it. Okay. The good news is that everybody goes to the same school, so this answer is going to be pretty basic for you guys to remember. Yeah? Yay! Okay. Klaus. Okay. How do you say I go? Ich gehe. How are you going to say to? Look at the question. Use that as a... Look at the question and use the question as your hint. Auf. Uh-huh. When you use the auf, it's more of an indicator that is the school that you attend. When you say zu, that means you're just physically walking there. Okay? So ich gehe auf. And then what do you think is going to come next?
Thank you. Sorry.
Ich gehe auf. So, Rosemont High School, yeah. Okay, so on your card you can abbreviate it or you can write it out. It doesn't matter to me. When you say it, just say Rosemont High School. Okay? You're not going to say Schule or, anything like that.
Rosemont High School school.
It would be a little bit. So you're not going to say like Rosemont Schule or something like that. Okay? Alright, we're going to use sie again because we're referring to a school. So it's feminine. So sie ist. Schule is feminine. Yeah. Eine Oberschule, which means secondary school.
Oh, this would be considered a secondary school?
High schools are secondary schools. So colleges are called post-secondary institutions because they're after secondary. Right? Von der 9. zu der 12. Klasse. What does that mean? Von der 9. zu der 12. Klasse.
To the 12th grade.
From the 9th to the 12th grade.
What's middle school then? If it's, what was the word we were talking about? Secondary, then what's middle school?
For them, they do 5th through 12th grade, so they don't have a middle school. So they just call it a gymnasium or whatever.
Primary to secondary.
Yeah, so they go from a Grundschule to a gymnasium or whatever it is. Okay, so let's try that one again together. Ich gehe auf Rosemont High School.
Ich gehe auf Rosemont High School.
Sie ist eine Oberschule von der 9. zu der 12. Klasse.
Sie ist eine Oberschule von der 9. zu der 12. Klasse.
Gut. That's it. Fragen? Okidoki. Nummer 16. Alright, Nummer 16. Repeat it back. Wie viele Schüler gibt es beim Rosemont High School?
Gibt es beim Rosemont High School?
What do you think it means? How many students are there at Rosemont High School? Okay, we're going to round it. If you want to be specific, you're more than welcome to. Yeah, you can. It depends on, the day that you look it up and which number that they put it, Funding for schools, FYI, are based on the number of students that are enrolled. I forget, it's October 1st or October 10th, one of those two. So, however many there are now is completely and utterly irrelevant. Isn't that weird? Okay, so you're going to say there is or there are. Do you remember that phrase? Es gibt. Yeah, you had that one in the how many inhabitants are there in Minnesota? Okay. Es gibt. And there's roughly 2,000. So how do you say 2,000? 2,000. Wie sagt man students? Schüler. Yeah, remember student or whatever? That's a college. Schüler. Und wie sagt man there? Da. Es gibt 2,000 Schüler da. There are 2,000 students there. Done.
That was nice.
You see why what? Yeah. All right. One more for today. Okay. 19. Okay. How would you ask that one? Good. Everybody try it. Wann beginnt und wann endet die Schule?
Wann beginnt und wann endet die Schule?
Good. And what does it mean?
When does school start and when does it end?
Yeah, when does school begin and when does it end? We're talking about the time of the day, not September to June. Okay? So we're going to say school begins. So the school begins. So how are we going to start that? Die Schule. Die Schule beginnt. Gut. Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Wie sagt man at? 7:30. Use your special word. Halb. Good. 7:30. Yes, because you go to the next hour. 7:30. And ends. Und end it. Yeah. Look at your question. You often will have tips on how to conjugate verbs and stuff like that in your question. Und endet at. Okay. And we're going to use 24-hour time, or we're going to say 20 after 2. So 24-hour time for 20 after 2. Say it again. 20. And then? Nach. And 24-hour time for 2.
14. So
14. There you go.
Nice.
Good. You guys are on it today. Sehr schön.
We can be